What's up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Tome AI. Tome AI or Tome app is an AI powered storytelling tool that will help you unlock your best work. Tome AI can be used as an AI content writer or text to slides AI tool or a text to slideshow AI tool. This tool is similar to ChatGPT, but ChatGPT only provides us with textual results. However, Tome AI will create an entire slideshow or a presentation for you with just a prompt like ChatGPT. It is one of the best AI tools I have come across till now, and it is an ChatGPT alternative that you can use anytime. Let's get quickly started with the Tome app or Tome AI video tutorial. Today I'll be explaining Tome AI's sign up process and what exactly can you do with Tome AI. In order to sign up, I'm going to click on the sign up button here. It also has a referral program which I will show you just now. It allows you to go ahead and sign up through your Google account, so that's really easy. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my name as test over here, or testing rather. As I work in an advertising agency, I'm gonna go ahead and select marketing here and create my profile. Now it will ask you to create your workspace name. It's basically a documentation sharer the way we create presentations in Google Slides, but trust me, it is so much more than Google Slides. As this is again a testing geek, as this is for demonstration purpose, I'm again gonna add as testing geek and create workspace. Continue. You can copy that referral code and share it with people and you will get 100 credits. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, I have 550 credits. When you join for Tome app or Tome AI, it gives you 500 credits, and when you refer it to someone else, you get 100 credits. So this is the interface that you will get once you enter Tome AI's application or the dashboard. Now you might be wondering that this is just presentations which are there over here. What's so different about it? Wait till we actually create one. Let me first show you what exactly are these pre-made templates that Tome AI has already created. It's basically a sales pitch for a company that Tome AI, it's just like ChatGPT, it has created it on its own. And the moment you enter the sales pitch, you will also get a get started guide. I'm gonna explain all the features in this video, so the video might be a bit lengthy, but it's going to be really helpful. Once you understand what is the capability of Tome AI, trust me, you will be like in wonders. So let me go back. This is just a pitch deck that they have made to understand what exactly Tome AI is and how exactly it works. Let's go and create one PPT. Now in ChatGPT, we give a prompt saying, let's say, give me LinkedIn profile tips or Pinterest profile tips. I'm going to click on the create button here. It will land you up on this blank screen. You see a prompt here. Now I'm going to go ahead and type a prompt. The prompt that I'm going to use is a social media agency pitch, and I'm going to click on enter. Once you click on enter, as you can see here, it has started creating my presentation. Five pages have been created. It's working on the sixth one. And the presentation has been created. As you can see below, presentation has been created. Now just like ChatGPT, it again gives us a prompt, try again, or you want to keep this presentation. Before pressing that, let's see what exactly it has created. Unlock your social media potential with us. Basically, I asked it, or I prompted it to create a social media agency pitch deck. And let's see. Of course, I'm not saying that it is gonna create an entire 360-degree presentation for you, but trust me, guys, sometimes having the basics already in place just helps us a lot. So let's see slide number 2. It has given us the context of this particular presentation, what exactly is included in the presentation, what is a social media agency, what we offer, why choose us, our process, our team. Let's get started. And it will explain you exactly what is a social media agency. As you can see, I have not done anything. It has created this presentation on itself, by itself rather, sorry. A social media agency helps businesses create, manage and optimize their presence on social media platforms. They provide services such as content creation, analytics and social media strategy. Social media agencies are experts in understanding the nuisance of different platforms and how to best leverage them to reach target audiences. As we can see, the data it has added is also absolutely correct. Let's move to the other slide. What we offer, it's basically given what exactly do a social media agency offers, and all this images, as you can see, it's been added by itself. I have not done anything, and it also allows you to go ahead and replace these images in case if you want to go ahead and do that. Let's check out the further slide. Why choose us? This is a slide which is present in every social media agency's pitch. Then there is our process, then there is our team. Of course, now it doesn't have the exact names of your team. Like for example, if your agency CEO, your MD, or maybe a social media lead or someone like that you can go ahead and always edit from your end. But as I said, this has created a kind of a basic PPT, a basic starter for me, which is like a way forward. Alright, so this was about a social media agency pitch deck. Before we get into the editing part of this presentation, I would like to show you another example. For this, again, I'm gonna go ahead and click on the create button, and this time I'm just gonna give a prompt: how to grow on LinkedIn. Basically LinkedIn profile tips. And I'm gonna click on enter. And this time I'm not gonna stop the recording. I'm gonna make you watch so that you can check it out how absolutely amazingly Tome AI just works. It's creating the 5th page. It gives you a progress on the left hand side corner. So as we can see, like the first 5 slides have been created right now. Working on the 7th one, and it's also adding all the images that is required. I mean, it is just superb. Let's have a quick look at this presentation. You can of course change this particular title. Yeah, so this is basically the context of what exactly are the pointers mentioned over here. Create a professional LinkedIn profile, connect with relevant contacts, engage with your network, share content regularly, participate in group discussions, measure your progress, and let's see how it has functioned. Whoa, it has also given us a data which is quite accurate. I've already read it. Alright, so now let's get into the editing of the presentation. Now for example, if I don't want to I want to change this particular name. Let's say my advertising agency's name is the Bearded Geek. Or 360 advertising, or let's say social media agency. You can do that. If you want to change some context, just simply click on it and it will allow you to go ahead and edit the presentation. In order to change or replace the images, you can also go ahead and add another slide if you want over here, either by clicking Alt and N, or just by clicking on this particular arrow or the add button, and then you can select the type of slide that you want. For example, for example, a lot of times we do social media competitor analysis, for which we require a tabular format. So this just provides that, and it is just super. It's brilliant. Now you might be wondering that there are only 4 columns over here. What if I have 5 competitors and I need more columns or rows? It allows you to click on this particular chart, then you just have to click on the table settings and you can increase the rows or the columns based on your need. It will also ask you whether you want to go ahead and wrap text or you don't want to wrap text the way we do it in Excel. It's just absolutely brilliant, guys. Trust me, I just learned about this tool today. If you're liking this video, if you're finding this tool helpful, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you can, just mention in the comment section it is helpful. That will just encourage me to get you more and more such kind of tools. Alright, coming back to the image editing part, all you need to do is click on the particular image, then right click on it, and you'll have to delete it. For some reason it doesn't allow you to go ahead and replace the particular image, but now the image has been deleted, so you can click on this add button over here and then again go ahead and add a particular image. Now this time you can upload a particular image of your choice. I'm gonna go ahead and check the downloads and add this image over here. Now if you want the image to actually go ahead and fit it, it's basically going to allow you to do that. It's uploading the image right now. Once the image is uploaded on the particular presentation, you can make the changes in the image itself. Let's wait till this particular image is uploaded on the presentation. Alright, so the image has been uploaded. Now either you want to go ahead and fit the image, fill it with the complete box, or you want it as a custom size, you can do it all. Just click on the image, click on this picture image icon again, and it will give you a lot of options to fit, to fill, or customly edit your image. I am just going to go ahead, you can adjust it however you want. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the fit button so it actually fits. If you don't like this background and if you want to go ahead and change the background, you can change the background to white, black, or even more colors, however you wish to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and make Control C, Control C, Control C. Alright, so that was about the image editing part. Now if you want to go ahead and add a video, I also tried and added a video. It's the same procedure. For example, on this slide you want to add a video, click on this add button and you can add either a video, you can add a text if you want, you can add Jiffy, you can extensions. That there are a lot of tools and extensions that you can go ahead and integrate with this part, that is Airtable, Figma, a web link, a Twitter account, Framer, Miro, and Looker. All these tools are actually working with it. Mind you guys, currently it is in a beta stage, so we will be able to see more and more features and integrations to be added in future. Now just for the demonstration purpose, I've added a video already. It's gonna play the way it already does. There's another thing that I tried and tested. It's basically, now I have named this particular table as, when we do a social media competitor analysis, we tend to go ahead and add the platforms, the names of the brands, the followers that they have, and so on and so forth. So I wanted to check whether we can go ahead and redirect the users to that particular page. Now for example, this is, let's say, brand A, and it has, let's say, 100k followers. I want this particular thing to directly redirect the user to the brand's page. What you can do is select this particular selection and you can put a hyperlink over here. For the demonstration purpose, I've added a temporary link, and let me just check whether it has been added or not. Okay, so once you add the link over here, you have to press an enter. If you press outside the box, it is not gonna get hyperlinked. And right now, as you can see, I can hover on this 100k over here, over on this bottom right corner, on the bottom left corner, you can see the link that is hyperlinked, and it's gonna drive me to that particular page, which is Tome AI's link that I added. Another option that it gives is basically, after you select the text, there are various options that you'll get. Either you can go ahead and add them in the pointer format, or 123 pointer format. You can make it bold. I don't want it like gray. You can strike the particular text. You can make it as a coding particular part. I already showed you the hyperlink part, and this is a surprise thing. So for example, let's say, what is a social media agency? We want this to be more elaborated. I will simply select this particular text, click on this AI edit, and it will either ask me to reduce or extend. I will go ahead and click on extend. Let's see what happens. I just did that for Twitter and it just gave me a brilliant result. I'm very keen to see what exactly happens over here. Okay, it did not do anything over here. Alright. So with this particular one word, when I clicked on AI edit and clicked on extend, it's extending my text. And it gave me this amount of text, which is like brilliant. Like, Twitter is a social media platform that allows users to post short messages known as tweets and interact with other users. It is used as a way for people to express so on and so forth. But this is absolutely brilliant, guys. I'm gonna do a Control Z again over here. It just works like your PowerPoint or slides, you can say. Then there was another thing that I wanted to show you guys. Alright, so for example, let's say our team, you want another slide to be added here, and our team, especially the slide, doesn't look this way. Like, for example, of course you give the context and the image is there, but there are faces generally. So I have created this particular slide over here. Control. And currently this slide is kind of like a vertical rectangle and the other ones are like horizontal. So I'm going to change the height of this slide. How do I do that? I will click on control and I will drag this particular screen to make it that way. Again, from below I will go ahead and drag it upwards to make it a fit. I think this should do. Alright, so now as you can see, the slide number 9 is matching the slide number 8's dimension, and over here you can go ahead and display the people that are working in your agency or your social media agency. Again, for demonstration purposes, I added this particular image over here. Now if you want to go ahead and, let's say her name is Jane Doe, and I want to go ahead and add a text over here. Okay, so sadly it doesn't allow to add a particular text over the image. Even I'm exploring this. I just found out this tool today and I thought this would be a really helpful AI tool. But never mind, it's like still in beta stage, so we can expect the modifications to be done. But so far so good. You can create this our team slide just the way I did. You can upload the images, whatever you want. And yeah, the title could be whatever, our team. Apart from that, alright, so there is another feature that it offers is basically you can go ahead and record your narration. For example, whenever you want to, when you're presenting your particular presentation to the clients or sharing it with someone else, you can go ahead and click this record button over here and add yourself over here and with the microphone. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't want to, that ways, but there is an option, so I thought it would be a helpful one. Apart from that, you can customize the look and feel of this presentation. So you need to click on this palette thing over here, and then there are multiple pre-made themes that have been made for you guys. You can either select that and just click on the custom option and do the thing for it, or else you can go ahead and customize it yourself. For example, select this color code or the hex code and do the modifications yourself. The best part is it is also gonna take care of the textual color. As you can see, it's just making the color different as in how I am moving the cursor. Apart from that, there is an option to go ahead and create another slide. For example, if you want to go ahead and add a page about something, you can simply add, let's say, a competitor and click on the enter button. Now again, it's gonna start creating the pages. Let's not get into that. In the meanwhile, when it is creating more pages on that particular part, let's see how you can go ahead. The last part is basically to share this presentation. Now, for example, whenever we share a particular slides or Google Slides with someone, we get an option for sharing a link. That's what exactly you can do over here. You can click on the share button at the top right corner over here. Either you can enter the email addresses that you want to go ahead and give the access to. Again, it allows you can edit, full access, can comment and can play. If you want to go ahead and play this the presentation, you can simply click on the play button over there and it will start playing the presentation for you. If you want to get out of the presentation mode, you can just click on the escape button and it's gonna do the thing for you. Coming back to the previous presentation, as I entered a prompt for competitors, it has created a slide called as competitors and given a gist of what exactly and how are we different than the competitors. So I think this is a brilliant tool, guys. You can go ahead and enjoy it. If you liked the video, guys, if you found this tool helpful, it's better than ChatGPT is what I feel. If you feel likewise or otherwise, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with another tool for you guys. Till then, keep on watching the channel and keep